How to lose weight fast, 5 simple steps, based on science and practical natural experiment. So, what is healthy weight loss? A healthy weight loss isn't just about a diet. There are many diet plans which will lead you feeling hungry or even more self-dissatisfaction. So, in this video we've made a step-by-step guideline to help you on the way to weight loss and better health in 5 simple steps.
Step number 1. Slightest amount of carbohydrate.
Those who want to lose weight, they should completely avoid rice, white bread, pasta and potatoes for 2 weeks or even more. If you eat a carbohydrate-rich meal, your body will create more fat cells for storing everything that your body can't burn off. That will result in you gain weight, and again your body requires more fuel to burn, and you eat more. So, you need to break this cycle to lose your excessive weight. It's so simple that reducing carbohydrate from menu can lead to quick and easy weight loss.
Let's go to step number 2.
Eating adequate of healthy protein and good fat is very essential for body. Need to limit your intake of saturated and trans fats by eating lean meats, fish and low-fat dairy products. There are many healthy protein sources are available. Healthy protein sources includes the following: fish and seafood, leafy green vegetables, chicken and lamb meat. Good fat is very essential for health. For losing weight, don't be afraid of eating fats. Healthy fats can actually help to control weight efficiently. Unsaturated fats in avocados, nuts, seeds, soy milk and fatty fish are the healthy and good sources of fat. Step number 3. Eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and fiber. High-fiber foods such as fruits, whole grains, vegetables, and beans take longer time to digest and very good solution for weight loss. Studies also show that soluble fibers promote weight loss. It's normally beneficial to eat as much fresh fruit and leafy green vegetables as you want. Combine each meal out of a healthy fruits, vegetables, and fiber-rich food. This will generally put you in a diet-friendly meal routine and improve the overall quality of your diet. In a result such as fruit, vegetables, beans, and whole grains will be great solution for desired weight loss. Step number 4. Start moving and walking.
The necessity of doing exercise and walking knows no bound. Exercise can increase metabolism and improve your outlook. It's so effective that you can benefit from right now.
Resistance training, such as weightlifting as well as the cardio workouts, are also effective. So, start moving and doing exercise can be the best option and will be a great solution for the desired weight loss. Step number 5. Quality sleep and less television. Regular and sound sleep is very important for many reasons, and poor sleep is one of the biggest risk indicator for unwanted weight gain. Short sleep duration has been associated with obesity and weight gain in numerous epidemiological studies and medical research. Watching TV for long time leads to weight gain. Besides that, instead of watching a long time TV program, you can walk some distance. So, these are the 5 simple steps, based on science and practical natural experiment, to reduce your weight apparently within weeks.